World School. As the board exams are approaching, I am here to share some tips that you can keep in mind while writing your psychology exam. First of all, you should be thorough with your NCERT. Read every chapter, every point and every line very carefully. Do not ignore the boxes. Please do previous year question papers. It will help you to understand the paper pattern. It will help you to identify different approaches and different theories and how the paper or question are formed. While writing the exams, you have to keep certain things in mind. First is write your answers in points. It will help you to communicate what you want to communicate, and the examiner will also be able to understand what you are trying to say. You should underline the important names, the names of the psychologists, the names of the therapists, and the name of the founders of the theories. It is very important that you use a pencil and underline those names. You can write examples related to the topic of stress, different disorders, social groups, how the groups are formed, how your attitudes are formed. Any topic you can add examples that are relevant to your life or relevant to the topic. You can use flowcharts to demonstrate what you are trying to explain. Different flowcharts using your pencil and how the steps are being conducted or how the methods is being used. It is very important that you write your paper neatly. That's all from my side. All the best for your board exams. Thank you.